Load your family into the 2019 Kia Sportage. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Kia prioritized comfort and style by including a power seat, a blind spot monitoring system, heated and ventilated seats, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.